say something. Come on, Chris, say something. This is the perfect setup. You'll never get another chance this good. You always use a pickup now. That's stupid. Just be composed. Be calm. Remember, more action.
Are you in math?
Removing headphones. What?
Is that math? Pointing to the work in front of her.
Yeah, calculus.
Ah, solid.
It's not as bad as they say.
Yeah, I've heard that.
Yeah. Pause. Are you in math?
Yeah, but I had it last semester.
And you're studying for science now?
Yeah, I'm more bred for science.
Chem?
Bio, actually.
That was my next guess.
So, are you going to university for math?
Yeah, hopefully I'll get into some engineering program. My parents are really pushing me into that field.
Cool. Yeah, engineering was my second choice.
How about you?
Biochemistry. Small laugh.
Of course. Silence.
Are you planning on going to the same university as Derek?
No, why would I?
Aren't you going out with Derek?
No. Why?
No reason. I heard you were.
Nope. The only thing that gets between the two of us is he's an asshole.
Yeah.
He beat me up once when he was drunk.
What?
Black eye, everything.
Did you call the police?
I'm not serious.
What?
It's a joke. Relax.
Oh my god.
Just
Nervous
a
laughter.
joke. I had you. You believed it.
You know, I wouldn't put it past him. I've heard stories like that before. And I can picture him in jail sometime soon.
But seriously, he's a total creep. I could never get over his stupid crap.
Yeah, I heard he was suspended indefinitely. His education was put on pause for burning a bunch of copies of Romeo and Juliet?
Really?
Yeah,
Excited.
2 households.
I was wondering why I hadn't seen him in so long. I was beginning to think that I'd made him up and he didn't actually exist or something.
Now you have your answer.
Staring, smiling at Chris. So Chris, how did you hear about that?
Derek and I have a mutual friend,
Who? Who'd want to hang out with that asshole?
Ben. That's someone else who may not actually exist. I haven't seen him in so long. Anyway, I was wondering if you wanted to see a movie with me sometime.
Yeah, sure. What if we saw her phone begins ringing? Picking up her ringing phone. Hello? Smiling. Yeah, I'll just be a minute. To Chris. Sorry, Chris, I have to go. It's important. She quickly collects her things and leaves.
Defeated. Oh, all right. See you later.